Hey guys, so stock market career that you are interested in, right? So in this video, I am going to show you exactly how can make a career in the stock market, and I'll ensure that you can make at least 1000 rupees per trading day in your stock market career. That also from a 50,000 rupees capital. So now, how will you start a stock market career? I receive n number of inquiries in WhatsApp every day. Many of them tells me that sir, I want to become a full-time trader. So is it that easy to become a full-time trader? Is it that easy to earn 1000 rupees safely per trading day in a stock market career? The answer is yes and no. Yes is for them who want to follow a guideline, and no is for them who want to become rich overnight, who want to start earning from the stock market overnight. So guys, you need to be patient, you need to follow a set of rules, and I guarantee you, you can earn 1000 rupees per day per trading day in the stock market, and you can make your career in the stock market. So let me show you my technique. But before that, let me give you a short intro of mine. Hello friends, I am Indrajit Mukherjee from stockmaniacs.net. If you want to grow your wealth from the stock and commodity markets, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon. You can also send me your stock market related queries through WhatsApp in my number +91 96743 21856. I start with my own story. I am in the stock market full time since 2008. So since 2008 I started trading full time, and since 2008 I started blogging full time. Because in the initial days what I was trading, I used to write on the blog. So from there my website got popularity. So I was a full-time trader since 2008. But was my journey smooth? My dear friends, no. Because I was not successful in my first venture. So I am full-time in stock market since 2008. But previously also I tried to become full-time trader. That was in 2002. So in 2002 I started full-time trading and I was making losses. But friends, I have a family to maintain, I have bills to pay, so I needed to go back to my job. So that time I was unsuccessful. So why I was unsuccessful? Because I had little money. I could not afford to lose. So that was the main reason. I could not afford to lose because if I lose money, that will be eroded from my capital, and I had very less capital. So every day I was fearful that I cannot make loss. But if you have this fear, you can never make money from the stock market, because loss is a byproduct in this business. So you need to make losses, boss. Make loss, make profit, and if your profitable trades are more, you can make money and you can earn money from the stock market. Your stock market career will be secured. So that time I took a lesson. I went back to the job, but in the job also trading was my passion, so I could not quit trading. Whenever in the job also, I had a trading terminal always open in front of me. In my laptop always a trading terminal was open. But then I was acquainted with trading, and in the meantime I was also saving money for me. That was due to I need money whenever next time I want to go back to trading as a career. So stock market as a career. So next time when in 2008 once again I left my job and I started trading full time, I had money. I saved money for at least next 1 year. So that time I was much more confident and I became successful. So I started trading. I started experimenting with trading systems and all. I got more time for my family. I started working from the home. So there was no office going, nothing. I was successful. So if you want to become a successful trader, you need also to save money. You need to have money with you. Then only you can become successful. Because if you are undercapitalized, you can never be successful in the market. So that is the first criteria. You should have capital for you. You should have capital to support your family. You should have capital to pay your bills. The next comes the infrastructure. You need some basic tools. Do not start trading from your mobile, because if you want to be a successful trader, you need to be professional. Trade from a laptop. Buy a good laptop. Buy a laptop with at least 8 GB of RAM. A good laptop with good speed. Because trading means speed. You need to be fast. Take a good internet connection. Do not rely on dongles and all. Take a good internet connection. Take a broadband. Forget about Jio and all. Take a broadband connection, and if possible, take a backup internet connection. Because whenever you are in a trade, if your internet connection goes down, you also will go down. And another thing you need, that is a power backup. Because if you are in a trade, you need power. So you need a power backup. Now, my dear friends, that is all about the infrastructure you need. You need no more infrastructure. You can even trade from your own bedroom. No one is going to see you whether you are wearing a Bermuda or you are wearing a full pant. So that you can become comfortable in your dresses and you can still earn a good amount of money from the market. Because that is the beauty of this business. This business does not need any infrastructure apart from your own technical infrastructures. And you do not need to invest on the charts and all, because nowadays brokers will give you good charts. If you do not have charts, I'll give you the link to join Zerodha, because Zerodha will give you the chart you need. Basic charts you will need, and Zerodha will give more than that. So now, last but not the least, you need a good system, and you need to stick to that system, because there are many people who have a good system but they do not rely on their system. They trade this system for 2 days, they trade that system for another 2 days, and they ultimately loses money and leaves the stock market. They tells everyone that bhaiya stock market mein mat jao, stock market is gambling. But stock market is not gambling. In stock market, you can make consistent money if you follow your system, and you need to believe your system. So here I will show you a simple system by which you can earn almost 1000 rupees per trading day, that also from a capital of 50,000 rupees. So let me show you my exact technique. The technique is very simple. We will trade only Nifty futures. We are not concerned about anything else. So we will trade only Nifty futures. We will trade the 1 hour candle. The market opens at 9:15. So 1 hour candle will close at 10:15. That will be 1 hour. So we will note the high and low of the first hour. Simple logic. We will buy above the high of the first hour candle, and we will short sell below the low of the first hour candle. So that's all. That is as simple as that. A simple strategy to follow will make you money. And we will keep some targets and stop loss. So what will be the target? We will keep a target of 10 points. That is simple. We do not mind if the market goes 100 points up. We are happy with 10 points only. So that is 10 points will be the target. And what will be the stop loss? The stop loss will be 20 points. Now here many people will start commenting to me, you are giving a crap formula. You will be never successful. because your target is less than your stop loss. But my dear friends, the old saying goes that if your stop loss is more, the less chance of hitting it, and if your target is less, the more chance of hitting it. So we will go with a 10 points target and a 20 point stop loss. Now I'll show you, you can still make money. You can still make money from that. So I have back tested this system on AmiBroker. Let me show you the back test. So this is AmiBroker window. We have actually back tested this system. So this is December's expiry of Nifty futures. So December expiry series. So I have seen that there are roughly 12 trades. So December expiry started from 29th of November and today is 13th of December. So in these roughly 15 days, we have got 12 trades. And the report was, we had earned 76 points profit. So 76 points profit we have got. Now let us check how much capital we need to have and how much brokerage we need to pay for these trades. So this is Zerodha's margin calculator. We are taking NFO, Nifty future option, as the segment. Product is futures, and we are actually taking BO and CO, bracket order, cover order, as the product. So we will keep a strict stop loss and we will keep a strict target in the bracket order. So symbol is Nifty future. Nifty is 26 December future, and we are buying at 12,000 and we are giving a 20 point stop loss. So our stop loss is 11,980. We are trading a quantity 225. So 225 quantity means 3 lots of Nifty future. We are buying and we are calculating the margin as 45,360. So you can see that actual value of the trade will be 27 lakhs, but the margin required is only 45,000. So that is well under 50,000. So your 50,000 capital you need, and with this 50,000 capital, if you can employ 45,000 rupees from there, you can trade 3 lots of Nifty future in intraday in bracket order or cover order. Now what will be the brokerage? We are seeing that in this scenario, we are buying at 12,000 and our target is only 10 points. So 12,010 we are selling and quantity is 225. So 225 quantity if we trade, we can see our points to break even is 1.97. So roughly from every trade 1.97 points, that means 2 points are going for brokerage. So now we will calculate the profitability. How much profits actually we will make from these 12 trades, from where we have actually earned 75 points profit. So let us go back to a calculator. So now guys, this is a calculator. We will now calculate how much profit we are making. So in AmiBroker we have seen that we have made 76 points. I am taking it as 75. And we have seen roughly we need to pay a brokerage of 1.97, that means 2 rupees per trade. So in the 12 trades, we need to pay 24 points as brokerage. I am keeping it as 25. So if I divided, that means it is 50 points I am making net. So in these 50 points, everything is considered. I am considering the losses, I am considering the brokerage, the charges, the fees, the everything is considered here, and still I am making 50 points net. So guys, if we can now multiply it by 2, because this is half of the month that I have traded. So in the total month, we can make 100 points roughly. There will be some plus minus in this, but roughly we can make 100 points. So now we will multiply 100 into 225, the lot size. So guys, we are making 22,500 rupees per month from the capital of 50,000 rupees. that also without any technical knowledge. We are only following a simple strategy. We do not need very big technical analysis to do all these trades, but simply we are following a system. So we are making 22,500 rupees per month, and in a month roughly there are 22 trading days. So if I divide this 22,500 by 22, so this is roughly 1022. So as I told you, roughly we have made 1022 rupees per trading day. So friends, I have shown you the exact technique by which you can make 1000 rupees safely per day from a capital of 50,000 rupees. And you can also do this every day in your trading. So you can understand that stock market career is also for you. So you can make a career in the stock market and earn your living from this market. So friends, I have completed today's webinar. If you like today's video, please do not forget to hit the like button. Please also do not forget to share it with your friends, because if you share it, someone else can also be benefited. If you have any queries, just ask me in the comments. I'll try to answer you as early as possible. Friends, thanks a lot for watching this webinar till the end. Bye bye.